Hey guys, I'm Victoria from CrazyCharizma and welcome to this quick series, Seesaw Tips for Teachers. Let's find out today's Seesaw tip.
Use a link feature in many ways. With recent Seesaw updates, you can add a link of YouTube videos or other sites on page or link pages between each other, thus creating a continuous experience for students. Also, you can get a student link of any activity. How to do this? Click on Activities tab, choose the activity you want, click on 3 dots and choose Get Student Link. This way, when you make a choice board of activities, you can link not only various videos from YouTube, activities from Google Slides, but also the activities in Seesaw itself. This feature is also helpful if you're using other platforms and want to link to Seesaw activities there, like Google Classroom or Schoology.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for future Seesaw tips and other cool tutorials about Seesaw and Google Classroom.